Well, every day you're seeing developments and measures put in place that really drive home the impact that this outbreak is having on Iran and ordinary people. Today, the development was Iran's national carrier, Iran Air, suspending all flights to and from Europe. Other carriers have done that as well. As we speak right now, the only global carrier that's coming in and out of Iran is Qatar Airways, based in Qatar. That's one development today. The other development is authorities in 15 out of 31 of Iran's provinces banning all non-locals from traveling to the province. In other words, if you're not from the province and you're trying to go to that province, authorities are going to turn you back and tell you to go home. This is seemingly an effort to stop the spread of the coronavirus. We have seen some social media posts where fights are breaking out between locals who seemingly see people with license plates from other provinces and they don't want them to be there. We should point out that we have not independently verified these social posts, and we should also point out that based on our observations, the overwhelming majority of the people that we're seeing here in Iran are dealing with this outbreak in a civil and cooperative way. Sure, they're scared, they're concerned, but they're helping one another. They're taking precautionary measures. They're not going out to social gatherings. They're doing the best they can in a civil manner. And keep in mind, in less than 2 weeks, it's Nowruz, the Persian New Year, perhaps the biggest and most popular national holiday where Iranians get together and socialize with friends and family. That's not going to happen the way it usually does. Another hit to this country that has seen many crises over the past couple of years.
Yeah, and Reza, I'm imagining the Iranian health system is under enormous pressure, given that Iran has become a hotspot country for the coronavirus. Are the hospitals able to cope?
You know, it's hard to say. We've talked to some hospitals and they've expressed confidence that at this point they have the capacity. But again, this is an unprecedented event. And observers say no matter what country you are, you're going to have a dealing with this outbreak. Iran obviously has its critics. Many say Iran mismanaged this outbreak, that they didn't reveal the severity of it when it first came out. But others say U.S. sanctions, crippling U.S. sanctions, have also had an impact on Iran's public health sector. Washington says sanctions do not impact humanitarian trade, but many here say they have. So difficult situation all around.